This is Zelda. She's just having a little sleep on my shoulder. And she's really tame. She makes a little fuss. Yeah, good girl. Oh, good girl, Zelda. You like that? Yeah, oh, she's a good girl, Zelda. As you can see, she's just quite chilled. I've only had her since Sunday. So yeah, this is going really well. And I can honestly say I've never had a rat sit on my shoulder. But I wouldn't want to not now. Oh, this is so cute. Hey, hi Zelda. Now I've moved all my hair from the other side and she just seems to want to cuddle my hair. Maybe it's the lack of hair. Good girl. Oh, she's a little bit camera shy. Get that bum. Oh, she's a good girl. Girl, Zelda. And she's quite happy.